Kalahating bilyong dolyar ang ibubuhos ng Ayala Land sa pagdevelop ng kanilang hotel business. Pamumunuan ang mga proyekto ng isa sa mga anak ni bilyonaryo Jaime Augusto Zobel de Ayala. Narito ang agenda report ni Sujin Kim.
Tumataginting na $500 million ang i-invest ng Ayala para palawakin ang kanilang hotel portfolio. Target nitong doblehin ang kanilang room capacity mula 4,000 hanggang 8,000 pagdating ng 2030. Pinaghahandaan ng Ayala ang pagbalo ng demand sa mga tourism destinations ng bansa.
We're quite bullish, and that's why we're putting forward $500 million over the next 5 years, which is a much faster pace of investment than we have in the last 10 years. I think, especially given the fact that NAIA has been privatized, we're starting to see improvements, and we have fully functioning international airports in Cebu, Mactan, in Bohol, and also in Clark.
Ile-leverage ng Ayala ang kanilang malalaking development sa Makati, Cebu, Davao at Palawan na inaasahang magpapalakas hindi lang sa hotel revenue kundi sa stock value rin ng kumpanya.
We are the most profitable hotel company in terms of if you look margin to margin. And so the returns have been very healthy. They've added a lot of value to our estates. And so we think that this will give a lot of upside to Ali, and not just directly to kind of the hospitality revenues, but also to the estate revenues.
Nakatutok din ang Ayala sa kanilang pinakabagong luxury hotel, ang Project Vodka, para sa ultra high net worth guests.
We think there's so much that can be done, even at kind of the luxury price point, which has traditionally been seen as, between $1,000 and $3,000 a night.
Binibigyang prioridad din ng Ayala ang training and education para sa kanilang mga empleyado na makasisiguro na magiging world-class ang kanilang serbisyo.
Yeah, we do have some educational programs in place already. For instance, in El Nido, we have partnered with a few high schools where we have built mock-up rooms to help them in hospitality. So
habang all eyes naman ang nakay Paloma Zobel de Ayala bilang ang new generation Zobel, sinabi ng bagong creative director na patuloy niyang palalalimin at pasisiglahin ang Filipino hospitality.
I think I have a wonderful leadership kind of to look up to. Hopefully I bring in fresh ideas from past experiences I have, and this is an opportunity for me to do that on a larger scale. So hopefully this is the opportunity to do that, especially through hospitality, which is such a personal experience for a lot of people.
Para sa agenda, Sujin Kim, Billionaire News Channel.